Hi there, this is Todd with Industrial Comfort. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these bandsaw reindeer. Don't forget to check out the description where I include the templates that we're going to use to trace these out on the wood. So let's get cutting. The first thing I do is print out the template that I've supplied in the description. Now, if you print this out at full size, it will require a piece of 2x4 6 inches long. Now, you don't have to use a piece of 2x4. Coincidentally, it just so happens to work that the dimensions match a 2x4. So the first thing that I do is cut the template out, and then I trace the template on the top of the 2x4, and then I do the same thing with the side profile on the side of the 2x4. I move over to the bandsaw to cut out the outline that I've just traced from the template. Now, always start with the long edge first, as we can reuse this material to create a more stable piece of wood when we move on to the next step, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. I use some painter's tape to retape the pieces of wood that I just cut. I'm doing this so that it's a much more stable piece of wood to cut. Without it, the wood would be much too uneven, creating a fairly dangerous situation to make the next series of cuts. I then bring over to the drill press where I sand and contour the deer using a drill press drum sand kit. Now, a kit like this can be picked up from Amazon, and I'll include a link in the description. Without it, sanding these contoured areas of the deer would be pretty difficult. Now, I'm going to use 2 different sizes provided to get into some of the areas that are a little bit more narrow. And then I'm going to do a final sand by hand just to knock down the edges and corners. And the final step is to apply a finish of your choice. In this case, I'm using some food-safe mineral oil. And that is how you make some bandsaw deer. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.